I'm back. Finally made it back. And I came back to a mess. So Pebbles, it's 2016 bike, as you can see, is nitrous on it. Pebbles has an exhaust leak. And so what I'm doing to fix it, I'll make this short and sweet, is I'm using some engine degreaser to clean the flanges, because there's a lot of like carbon and oil buildup on them. And then I also wanted to show you the old ones versus the new ones. Now this is like an oversight. I probably should have just changed this initially when I installed the exhaust, but I didn't. So. And now I'm methodically, like I said, I'm using this degreaser and I'm just putting it on the rag and I'm going in to each exhaust port and I am cleaning the mating surfaces, and I'm somewhat trying to get into the chambers itself so I can get some of that carbon buildup. All right, all I wanted to say was, this is the old ones. I had to bend back the flanges because they were all kind of like, as you saw earlier in the video, they were kind of like almost U-shaped. And now they go right on the actual studs. So you may have to bend them back. So as long as you have a vice grip or something to kind of stabilize it and bend it back, all good. Just wanted to add that in because initially I was going to contact Brock's and ask for like a totally new flange, but I fixed it. It's the weekend, so I know they're closed. So it's kind of cool how innovative you can come up with things if you have no choice. So